Hi guys, Steph here. Look what we've got for you today. We've got a gorgeous pen set, and as you can see, it comes in this original box. As you can see, there's no name on it, but if you've read the the description, you know what it is. So if we open it up for you, like so, take a look at that lovely little set. Now, let's show you the bottom bit there, and you can see it says Watermans Ladies Writing Set. Okay, so it does what it says on the tin. To the back there, you can see it's got this little sort of goldish coloured plate, and that also says Watermans, and inside there we can see the set itself. Now, if we just lift this tab up like so, first of all, let's pop that to one side and look at that. Inside we've got the original instructions, and to be quite honest with you, looking at these instructions, I'm not going to open them up full, or well, let's do it anyway. To me, they don't look as if they've been used. Look at that. You can see all the different sort of nib sizes, from fine to sort of stub. Some I've not heard of. Manifold down at the bottom there. Let's open it up a little bit more. There you go. We've got the guarantee to the left, and it shows you to the right how to fill your pen. As we said, we've shown you that. A little bit more information. Watermans there. Do we have an address there at the bottom? Watermans Pen Company. Let's bring it a little bit closer for you. The pen corner, is it? 41, looks like Wings Way, London. Okay, so there's the instructions. What's this here? Repelling pencil. Alright, so we've actually even got the instructions for the propelling pencil. So let's pop that inside there. Let's pop it back to where it belongs, inside. So not only have we got the pen set, we've got the instructions and everything. So let's take out the pen, let's take out the pencil, let's pop this lovely box to one side, and this is the set, the Watermans Ladies Writing Set. And as you can see straight away, in this gorgeous blue striated pearl colours, absolutely gorgeous. So what we have a pen and a pencil. So let's very briefly, you know I'm a fountain pen man, so let's run through the pencil very quickly. It's a propelling pencil, which means that what we do, we turn the barrel, hold on to the cone, and there you go. You can see the lead inside there moving in and out. It's got the very recognisable sort of Art Deco clip to the top. We've got these two little cap bands like so, and as you can see, again in this gorgeous colour. Does it have a barrel imprint? Yes, there we go. We've got a barrel imprint there. Watermans, made in England. Okay, so a lovely barrel imprint on that. And then we have the fountain pen itself. Now let's take you straight to the barrel imprint first of all. We've got Watermans, made in England, and it says 512V, or for some people the V stands for vest pocket. Okay, so it's a lady's pen, I would say. A lovely ladies sort of set. You can see it's got this box lever here to the cap, we've got these two cap bands there, and if we take you to the top again, they're very recognisable. Watermans clip, again this Art Deco clip with this stud to the very top of the cap. Now just coming back to the cap band, these particular pens, they came in numerous different colours. As I say, this is this gorgeous sort of blue striated colour. They also came in a sort of a grey silver colour. I believe they came in a green colour, rose coloured, and obviously the standard sort of classic black colours. They also came with a slightly different trim. I have actually seen this pen with a sort of slightly wider cap band, a sort of decorated cap band, but on this one, as you can see, it's just got the two thin cap bands. All in all, gorgeous pen. What I've done, I've serviced both pens. We've cleaned everything internally, so both are in full working order. Let's give you some of the customary twirls. Okay, like so. Let's pop the cap down and let's take you up to the sort of the section there. You can see the section, it's sort of slightly concave, this ridge towards the nib, and then we've got the nib, as you can see there, and the imprint on the nib reads Watermans 14 carat England, and then to the bottom it's got 2A, which is the correct nib for this pen. And then if we take you underneath, you can see the feed, just a sort of quite a plain standard vintage Waterman feed there. As you can see, again everything nice and clean. As I've said, I've serviced the pens. They did not need much work. They've come to me in, you know, quite a good condition. I've just simply cleaned everything, cleaned the feed, the inside the section, installed a new sack, and everything is in working order. One thing I've not mentioned, the size of the pen, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, around about 110 millimeters capped. Around the diameter of the barrel, approximately 11 millimeters in diameter. Now, as I say, it's quite a smallish pen with my large hands, although saying that, this section is actually quite comfortable to actually hold even with my large hands. But predominantly I would say it's a ladies set, and there'll be some lady out there that would love this particular set, hopefully. So what we'll do, we'll try and find a new home for it. So any of you ladies out there, if you're looking for a beautiful Waterman's pen, why not get in touch? But I know you people like to see them writing. I'm not going to fill it because, as I say, I've put a new sack in it. But what we'll do a dip test for you. It'll be interesting to see how the pen writes. So we've got a Watermans, Watermans ladies writing set. Let's give it another dip. The date, what date is this particular set? I'm dating it 1940s, and I would say sort of mid 1940s. Does it have any flex to the pen? Let's give it another dip. Let's do some figure of eights. Actually, the answer is yes, it does. It does have a little bit of flex. You can see on the downward stroke, with a little bit of pressure, we can actually achieve a wider stroke. So yeah, it has a little bit of flex to the nib, but a lovely writer. let's pop that to one side. Let's give the nib a little bit of a wipe. So let's pop the cap back on. Actually, one thing we didn't show you, because I'm sure you people will want to know, does the pencil work? Yes, it does. As you can see there, the pencil works lovely as well. So, there we have it. Let's bring the box back on. And there we have a gorgeous Watermans ladies writing set in this gorgeous blue striated pearl colour. In the original box, with the original instructions, in absolutely gorgeous condition, full working order. So let's find a new home. There'll be a lady out there hopefully will enjoy this set for many years to come. But for now, I hope you've enjoyed looking at the set as much as I enjoy showing them to you people out there. Don't forget, don't be shy, leave a comment below. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Again, down below, if you possibly can, please support my work. And don't forget, okay, maybe things might be getting a little bit better, we don't know, but stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.